Sam from Burleigh Laminated Benchtops. Today I wanted to give you a virtual tour of our showroom at Burleigh Heads. Here at the Burleigh showroom we've got all the laminate swatches from the major brands Laminex, Formica, Polytec and Wilsonart. These are the major Australian laminate brands that we use to make bench tops here at Burleigh Heads. People often ask, what is laminate? It's a printed paper with a resin coating, and what we do here at Burleigh Heads is post-form the edges of the bench top. So we heat up the laminate and we wrap it around the edge of the bench. There's also lots of other profiles you can do with the bench tops in production, and there's also different finishes. So the laminate finishes come in a natural finish, gloss, and we also have some wood grains that are textured. All these vary in prices depending on your plan, the colour, the size of the bench tops, but generally the natural finish with a post-formed edge is the cheapest option. If you want a price today on your laminate bench top plan, just email us at laminatedbenchtops.com.au. We'll get a price back to you usually within 24 hours. You're welcome to visit the showroom at 39 Dover Drive. We're open from 9 till 3, Monday to Thursday, and 9 to 1 on Friday.